All right, so let's get started here. We are um, October 15th, 2025. As always, please no guests, no passes to other classrooms. Students know that's the rule in my classroom. Students who do come in with a pass so that they can work on a PC, personal computer there, the Windows machines, and do some editing that they can't do on their Chromebook are allowed in only if they're working independently in there. No cell phones. The cell phone pocket is hanging. Um, Students are not allowed to have their phones out. Students are not allowed to have their phone if they use the bathroom. They have to have their phone in here. If it's not in their backpack and not in the pocket, that is referral. It's against state law for them to have their phones in class out. Advisory students live stream the morning news. An administrator or admin will let them into the studio to do their thing, and an administrator will be there somewhere around 8:40, 8:45, and uh, broadcast stream to the school. Okay, A1. It's a broadcast journalism class. I have it divided up right now between juniors and seniors. Seniors are working on something called Brain Buffet. So, depending on what certification they're trying to get, they could be doing Adobe Premiere right here, Adobe After Effects right here, or the Adobe Photoshop 2025 course. So they should have one of those three programs open and should be following along with tutorial lessons online. Okay, where are we here? Okay. A2 is Introduction to Media Arts. Move myself up here. Um, Students here, they are working on a big project called Horror Fest, but right now, since I'm not there, they can't borrow cameras and go film. They have Ed puzzle assignments that'll help them with their project. Um, the For this class, they're doing two today: how to storyboard, and the master class with Aslyn Clark, if I'm saying her name right. The master class one is a long one. And I made the questions a little more difficult than normal, so ask them to really pay attention. Third block is film production. Oh, you take first lunch, and students will come in at 12:24 is when the tardy bell is. They will be editing. No, they have ed puzzles about editing horror sound, and they have an ed puzzle about um, the same one, the master class that the other class that the AU2 is doing. They're doing that one as well. Fourth block is plan. So that's the sub day for Wednesday. Thanks for